Good morning, good morning. We are in the nursery today, at least this morning. It's me and Kelsey. We're seeding some salad, and I'm filling flats for her as we're gonna get started for the day. I'm gonna fill up 50, and then I got a hop, sketch, and roll out of here over to the field and get some plowing done. We need to get potatoes in the ground here shortly. They came in the mail last week. We're gonna cut them up in preparation to planting today, filling flats, seeding salad, and doing some plowing, and we'll see what other kind of trouble we get into. Oh man, guys, this is gonna be a fantastic day. It's gorgeous outside. It's like 55. It's a little windy, so it's a little chilly, but it's gorgeous out. Yeah, sun's out. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. It was 31 when I woke up this morning, so
yeah, it was cold.
A little chilly. Working in tight quarters in here this morning. Can't wait to build out our new nursery setup at the new farm. That's gonna be just really special. After all these years of messing around, I feel like. How many hours we waste just setting up and breaking down.
Putting it back up.
Hey, we pick things up, we put them down.
We're very good at that.
Very good. So yeah, I'm gonna fill up some flats and stay busy. I gotta water the nursery here in a minute, get in preparation of leaving for most of the day, and I'll take you along for that in a minute because it is popping off over there next door and next door, both next doors. I'm just gonna give everybody a nice drink before I head out, and yeah, man, it's nice when the sun comes out today. I'm so excited. So yeah, I mean, I still gotta go next door and water there too first, so yeah, we'll get there. Can't forget these guys. They're up top too, so yeah, higher in the nursery means higher temperatures, so yeah, these guys really need to make sure they have water on them. Alright, window opened up. Used to have a thermostat on my old fan, but this one we plug in, turns on, and blows out hot air and draws fresh cool air in from down there. And because we have the 2 layers of plastic, it's like, you know, 15% dimmage of the light, but it also acts like an insulator, so it can stay coolish in here. All right, let's see how she does it.
Bam!
This is Kelsey setting up for seating trays.
5 trays per table.
That's right.
Except the big ones. 6 on those.
And then we've got this roller action.
Roller.
You might have seen this in other videos, but for all of our new followers, this is how we rock and roll at seating. That leaves a little indentation inside the tray. So why do we use these trays and all that? So these are 128 cell little trays. You can see each one, you know, 128 cells. It's so that we're really efficient when we're out in the field. We've got all these plants on one holdable tray so that when we go out and we've got this big transplanter, you'll see once we get going here in a couple weeks, I think we whip out for the first time. And yeah, it just makes it really efficient to have this many plants on one whole thing that we can carry around and put on the machine, and easy to work with. Yeah, they plant well. So you're not gonna be able to hear me when I go inside this nursery, but I wanna show you how Kelsey is using our vacuum seeder in order to seed these trays out. But you'll see that there's trays that are loosely, you know, moving around inside the tray that she's holding, and it has little holes in it, and the vacuum will suck the seed to that tray, and when she flips it over, she turns the vacuum off, the seeds will drop in the particular spots where the tray are. You'll see. I'll show you in a second. Alright guys, here we are, we're down at the field. Just filled up again. I did some plowing yesterday. Just wanted to get going, get some work done. I didn't really want to whip out the camera and get all crazy, but when we get up here, I'll show you what I did. Here is the first part I did. About an acre and a half, and then I did this section over here, which is about an acre, and we'll do another acre today on the left here. I've got this thing going. I want to show you what we're doing and talk about it a little bit, because I know it's a little controversial. Using an evil rollboard plow. You see all this debris. Piece of ground ready now. I really hope you can hear me with that door open, but I really want to show you that tool and what it's doing, so you can see the material is really getting flipped, you know, stuffing all of the dry old grasses on top of the surface underneath of all of that soil, so it, you know, decomposes, adds organic matter to the soil, thus feeds. Sorry, I'm running my mouth here. Thus feeding the microbes and the worms and all of the living life that is in the soil, making it exactly what we want to grow in. Now, as far as tillage is concerned, we're trying to disturb that soil as least as possible to not destroy the homes of that living bacteria, which we're depending on, making all that organic matter into food it can uptake and utilize, right? Just like kind of like our bodies with our gut. We can't use any of the food that we actually eat until the microbes in our gut break it down for us, making it, you know, usable for us. So, yeah, this tool is awesome in that regard. Definitely we'll have this ready for potatoes in about a week, 2 weeks. I just got back and Kelsey's just finishing, and so yeah, I wanted to show you what she got done while I was gone and plowed and all that, and it is just like, holy cowabunga.
It's alive in here.
No, Nikes. So yeah, we're broccoli cabbaged out all the way out here. We made room for fig mamas over here. You know, so we're pretty cleaned up. I mean, can't ask for any better. Got some dirty new plastic on here that hasn't rained since.
A little better when we first put it on.
So I think this is where we're gonna call it a day. I think you're headed home. I got my appointment this afternoon, so this is where we're gonna call it an end for the video. A little short one for you, but like I said before, I just want to be transparent about exactly what we're doing down here, so you have at least a clue. So God bless you guys. Thanks for your time, and yeah, cheers.
See you next time.
Whew.